chip on my shoulder. True players always maintain I'm different, I told you. Don't wanna be just a commodity. I'm smarter, G. This is my life and my soul, not just a job to me. It's the truest part of me. Fans now mobbing me. Fake friends acting like I just won the lottery. Back then, I guess it was hard to see the real paradox. What an odyssey. It's like that saying, be careful what you pray for, you might get it. Of course, it's all about winning and money, but how far would one let it take them? The holy game can make them, then instantaneously break them. Rain one day, sunshine the next. Haters try to stop my flow, sometimes I'm vexed. What's next? Counted by the press. Mad stress on my chest. Of course I know that I'm blessed, but here's the test. On any given Sunday, I gotta play my best.
Sacrifice, don't give up the fight. Everything will be alright. On any given Sunday.
The harder they come, yeah, the harder they must fall.
Depends on you if you win or lose. You know you gotta pay some dues so you can live on
Strive to achieve and die for what you believe.
On the battlefields left abandoned, one man standing. To me the ball was handed, taking shots and left stranded. No defense, so they tackle me. Every blow brings back a memory. Learning lessons from my injury is killing me. Cause at first they wasn't feeling me, never given a chance to show my true ability. Too many pressures trying to play me out, put me in positions that's sure to lay me out, no doubt.
Sacrifice, don't give up the fight. Everything will be alright. On any given
The harder they come, yeah, the harder they must fall.
Depends on you if you win or lose. You know you gotta pay some dues so you can live on
Strive to achieve and die for what you believe.
Playing on a field of hard times, these struggles like a yard line that I gained from. Nowhere's where I came from day one. I knew the game and how to play run, but never knew the price of fame would weigh tons. Now I hunt over self when pain comes and walk when they say run. Fame can be as painful as the death of Peyton.